Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and before we dive into the awesome deals happening at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about my favorite app, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Of all the apps, this one is my favorite. It is so easy to earn points towards gift cards. I mean, you're buying your groceries, you're buying something that you wouldn't think would accrue points for this app. It does, even fast food. So here's the thing, guys. Check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code, and when you photograph your first receipt, a pack of gum you bought last week, or an Egg McMuffin you got 3 days ago, or this morning, you're given 2,000 points, which is $2. This is for new signups only, and my code is right there on the screen. And often they have little freebies, including this delicious Johnsonville strips. As you can see, I got back $4 for buying this over at Walmart. I mean, they always throw something in the mix. Check the discoveries page if you might have these freebies. And then also this really delicious, ice cream cake. And it doesn't get any better than that, like free bacon or this ice cream cake. Absolutely. So if you've never heard of this app, today's the day to sign up. It is fantastic, and you earn points towards gift cards. It's a very easy process, and it is a terrific app. I have been using this app for about 4 years, and it is my favorite of all the apps. Okay, guys, so this is the preview for the week of May the 9th to the 15th. It is Mother's Day on the 9th. And if you want to take the day off, absolutely go for that. Maybe you can get that ice cream cake with the Fetch Rewards app for your mom for Mother's Day. But there's a lot of great deals in this flyer. So if you look right here, we have this get up to $30 in Walgreens cash when you spend these different increments. Now for this one, this is a spend booster, so you have to pay cash bills, debit, credit card for the balance. Not negotiable. There's also a digital one, but the two will not stack. They classically have not stacked before in the past. So get the cashier to scan this from your phone or have it loaded digitally. It is your choice. And as you can see, this is going from the 9th to the 22nd, so that is 2 weeks. And you can do this, I believe, many times in the fine print. So definitely load this one or get the cashier to scan it from your phone. And there are some deals. This is like a mathematical week of fantastic deals. So I'm really looking forward to this upcoming week. Now, with the IBOTTA app, there are various freebies, and I just wanted to point it out, and Walgreens is one of the store. The first one is this 10-ounce pack of the Sabra hummus, and sometimes hummus is one of those things. I do find it at Walgreens, which is quite bizarre. And then we have this chickpea Laughing Cow cheese, again, free after rebate. You might want to walk through the dairy aisle, like the cooler area, and see if they might have it. This might be 2 items to get for free with the IBOTTA app. Okay, so with Mother's Day, there's this little deal, $7.99 for the various Revlon lip products, $7 register reward when you buy 2. Now, we have right now a digital coupon, which is this one, and this is valid till the 22nd, and it's a $2 off a lip for Revlon, and then we have this one from a recent insert as well. So grabbing 2 lip products at $7.99 off, that's $15.98. Subtracting the $2 digital and the $2 from the Smart Source, you're left with paying $11.98 out of pocket, getting back a $7 register reward, some inexpensive lip products, and if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're just doing this deal on its own, like not with a booster deal, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have $4.95 for these various products, including the 4 Mega Charmin Soft that equals 16. When you buy 4 of these, you get back a $6 register reward. And I hate to be this person to say it, but if you look at the flyer, really look at that blue Charmin and what it looks like. If you loaded this guy a couple weeks back, in theory, this coupon should attach to that sales product. So we can use this. And there's also a $1 digital coupon that we can use for Charmin. Unfortunately, I unclipped mine, so I don't have the visual for it. But make sure you have this 6 and the $1 coupon. Grabbing 4 of these, it's $19.80. Subtracting that 6 off of 3 and the $1 digital, you're left with paying $12.80 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward. $6.80 for the 4, or $1.70 per Charmin. This is a deal for Mrs. Empty Nester. It is okay to use your Walgreens cash if you want, or just buying this on its own. That high value coupon is no longer available to download. You had to load it like 2 weeks ago. And let's remember to scan these products and store to make sure that it's attaching. But what a fantastic deal for Sunday. Okay, and the Colgate $3.99, there's going to be a $2 digital coupon, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Okay, so looking at this, grabbing 2 of the Colgates for $7.98, subtracting the $2 digital. Hopefully something better will show up on Sunday other than that one $2 coupon. You're paying $5.98, getting back $4 of Walgreens cash, $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents for each. If you're doing this deal on its own, it is okay to use Walgreens cash. You will still earn your $4. Okay, guys, so let's try and do a $40 basket. Spend $40, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. If you might have one of these, you can also stack it with it, but make sure that the digital counterpart of that booster is loaded, and then you'll use this paper in concert with the deal. So please pay attention to that. So for this basket, we're going to just do a hodgepodge of the stuff we were just talking about. We're going to grab 2 Revlon lip products for $15.98, 4 of the Charmins for $19.80, and then 2 Colgates for $7.98. Well, the total right there is $43.76. Scan the booster, 10 back when you spend $40. And then we have $11 of digital manufacturers. I'm going to go with digital manufacturers, assuming that you don't have any paper coupons. You're left with paying $32.76 cash bills out of pocket, debit card, credit card, cash bills. Don't use your Walgreens cash. And then you're getting back 10 back for spending $40, $13 in register rewards, 7 and the 6 for Revlon and Charmin, and then $4 for the Colgate, $5.76 for the 8 items, or 72 cents each. And let's remember, we are not to use Walgreens cash for the balance of this, or it will monkey everything up. And yes, you can use register rewards to pay down the balance if you have any to throw in. Just a reminder, the one on the top you can't use because that is like an IVC. It's a store coupon, so it'll dip your balance below. Especially for the 10 back when you spend 40, you'll be spending, if you use this one, you'll be spending 36. But the one on the bottom that says manufacturer, yes, you can use that one with no problems, no issues. Make sure that you have at least a filler item if every item you have in the basket has a manufacturer coupon. Okay, now we're going to look at the bottom right-hand corner at the Oral-B, $4 each. 5 off of 3, and then a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of these products. Let's hope that the rest of this bingo chart, there are some higher value digitals that show up. Looking at the math for this one really quickly, 3 of the Oral-B brushes is 12 on the nose. Subtracting the 5 off of 3, you're paying 7 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, $2 for the 3, and if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's throw this one in with a Listerine deal. Okay, so we're going to grab 5 of these guys for $6.49. And this is on a monthly promotion for spend 10, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, see how it says good through May 29th? So this is a promotion that's working with a bunch of other promotions that's quite fantastic. Now we're going to need 5 of these, so you can mix and match off of this, but it has to be one of these 3, the Total Care, the Cool Mint, or the Fresh Burst at 1 liter a pop. If you look at the display, $10 register reward when you buy $30, and these are the 3 flavors that are included. If you wish to open your phone, the camera to scan the QR code, you'll get more pertinent information right here. And also, you'll go to Listerine.com after you make the purchase. And with a $30 basket, I think you're going to get like enough points for a $10 Visa gift card. That's what I got when I first did the deal, I think on Thursday or something like that. So really great. Okay, guys. So jogging through the math for this, 5 of the liter Listerines, that's $32.45. Scan that booster, $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. If you can rustle up $5 coupons from coupons.com, inserts, whatever you might have, that'll shave off $5 right there. You're left with paying $27.45 cash bills out of pocket. You're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 5 for every 10 that you're buying, and you're buying $30 of the Listerine, $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, the $10 register reward, and then you're going to make an application to the Listerine website to get back a $10 Visa gift card. Right here, it's free plus a $12.55 moneymaker. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it's just going to cause a bunch of problems for you. And just to show you, I did this deal yesterday with a lot of success, and this guy printed out. It's a manufacturer coupon. This is going to be fantastic to use in other deals as the week progresses. Now, let's just say we want to go for a $40 basket, because at $32, I mean, you're almost there. So why not just push it to get you to that, spend $40, get a $10 register reward. So we're going to throw in 2 of the Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. And remember, we have that $2 digital to load, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 as well. So jogging through this again, 5 of the Listerines is $32.45. 2 of the Colgates is $7.98, pardon me. So your total right here is $40.43. Scan the booster, $10 back when you spend $40. Present $5 coupons for the Listerine. Have that $2 off digital loaded for the Colgate. You're left with paying $33.43 cash bills out of pocket, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash for the Listerine. Every 10 that you buy, you're getting back 5. As you bought 30, you're getting 15. $10 of Walgreens cash for the booster, a $10 register reward for Listerine, $4 in Walgreens cash for Colgate. Then you're going to make that submission to Listerine.com, hopefully get $10. So this is like free and a $15.57 money maker. Do not use your Walgreens cash as you're using a booster with this one. How fantastic is this deal? Now, the next one we're going to look at is with the Beneful. It was $5.99 the week previous, so this week in store it's $7.99 for one of these bags of dog food. Hey, let's use this booster again. Why not? So we are going to grab 4 of them. So we are going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash as we're going to get that $25 mark. We're going to need 2 of these, which is a BOGO free from the savings insert of May the 2nd. So you'll need 2 of these to make this deal happen. And the max value here is $6.29. Over on IBOTTA, there's a $1.25 rebate that you can do up to 5 times, so you'll get $5 back for this. So grabbing 4 of the bags, that's $31.96. Get the cashier to scan the booster, present 2 BOGO free coupons, so $12.58 will come off. You're left with paying $19.38 cash bills out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $5 back from IBOTTA, and there's also a register reward that's printing when you spend $20 in this. So it makes it $6.38 for the 4, or $1.59 per bag. This is a superb deal. Remember, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one we're going to talk about are these gift cards. You buy 2 of them, I believe at $15, you're going to get back a $10 Walgreens card. With these gift cards, you can't use the boosters with them. They're always not included. But like, how great is that for Mother's Day? These little icebreakers, buy 2 of them, I believe for $3. There is 50-cent IVC coupon, so it'll drop it down to 2 for $2 or $1 per icebreaker. And if you wear a mask a lot and you need this, that's a good deal to pay $1 for those big things of mints. And then the Splenda, this is a diabetic drink, $10.99 in store, $5 coupon from the Smart Source of March the 7th. You'll pay $5.99. IBOTTA has a $3 rebate, and Fetch has 2,000 points back for this one drink. So how great is that? That's expiring on the 11th, so you'll have to move on that quickly. It makes it 99 cents. And with all of these rebate apps, always double, triple check you still have them as well. That's a really smart thing to do before you purchase anything in store. Okay, Ajax and Palmolive is 99 cents. This is a fantastic filler item if you're trying to get your basket to $25 or $40. And the Wet n Wild SpongeBob makeup, that looks really super cute. So be on the lookout for that new makeup line. And also the last deal that we have is buy 2, get 1 for free for the A&W 7-Up and 3 for $9.99 for the Coke and Pepsi products. That is a really good price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.